And if the temperature is also going to rise, the current would also rise enormously. So in short, after summarizing all the parameters, they decided that these three parameters, beta, IC naught, and VBE, are going to influence the functioning of BJT. Or I can say these three readings, these three parameters are going to change the operating point of my BJT, change the Q in my BJT. So if the Q point is going to change, my device will be no longer in active region, it will go to cutoff or saturation, then the main purpose of amplification is going to be lost. See, your amplifier, what is the main thing you expect from an amplifier? You are going to buy amplifier for your house. You want to have a very hi-fi music system in your house. So you are going to the Ritchie Street and you are going to buy an amplifier. What are the things you will look for an amplifier? See, this is a general question. Even if you don't answer this general question, yes?
Sound.
Hmm?
Sound.
Sound. How will you measure sound?
Amplification factor, sir.
Huh?
Amplification factor. The output
Amplification factor or gain. Gain should be high or low. Gain should be high or low.
High, sir.
It should be very high. Yes, amplifier should have a very high value of gain. So, as without knowing anything about electronic circuits, if any person is going to buy an amplifier, he will just say, if I switch on this device, I should get more sound, sir. So that person who is selling the device will understand that what is meant by sound is going to be gain. So he is asking for a high gain device. So he will show an amplifier set which will amplify your signal. Okay, so the main thing is, first thing is the amplification factor or gain should be very high. Second one, okay, for a normal person, he will not bother about anything else. But what is the second thing you will ask if you are very concerned about amplifier? If you are concerned about amplifier, what is the second thing you will ask the shop owner? First one is, I want more sound. He is saying, I am giving you a very high gain amplifier. What is the next thing you will ask him? What is the next thing you will ask?
Distortions.
Distortion. In other way, in the simpler way, how will you call distortion as? If I use this amplifier, will I get noise? Correct? You will use, you will not, he will not, even the shop owner does not know what is distortion. He will understand only noise, right? So noise means it can be any disturbance outside your amplifier or from the amplifier, inside your amplifier, it can be anything. So whatever be it, your amplifier should produce noise-free output or distortion-free output. See, noise can come from anywhere. It can come from outside or inside. But an amplifier does not know whether it is noise or signal. See, all these amplifiers are not intelligent devices, right? So they cannot understand on their own whether the incoming signal is signal or noise. It will amplify everything. Okay, so it is up to us to ensure that whatever goes to the amplifier is going to be a noise-free signal. And distortion is happening because of the property of your transistor. So noise is coming from outside, distortion will come from inside. When the proper biasing of BJT is not done in the active region, it starts producing distortion. You may give a proper sine wave, but the output will not be a proper sine wave. Okay, some part of sine wave may be cut off. That